Lexis formation. Lesson 9. Contractions. 9.1 General rules. Contractions are forms like I've and don't, in which an auxiliary verb is combined with another word. There are two kinds. 1. Noun or pronoun, etc. plus verb or auxiliary verb. 2. Verb or auxiliary verb plus not. 1. Noun or pronoun, etc. plus verb or auxiliary verb. Examples: I'm tired. My father's not very well. Do you know when you'll arrive? Where's the station? I've no idea. There's a problem. She'd like to talk to you. Somebody's coming. Here's our bus. 2. Verb or auxiliary verb plus not. Examples: They aren't ready. I haven't seen him for ages. You won't be late, will you? Can't you swim? 1. Contractions are formed with auxiliary verbs, and also with be and sometimes have, when these are not auxiliary verbs. 2. The short form '(s) can be written after nouns, including proper names, question words, here and now, as well as pronouns and unstressed there. 3. The short forms '(ll), '(d) and '(re) are commonly written after pronouns and unstressed there. But in other cases, we more often write the full forms, especially in British English, even if the words would be contracted in pronunciation. For example, Your mother'll be surprised, she said. I wondered what had happened. 4. Contractions are not usually written with double subjects. For example, Jack and I have decided to split up. Not Jack and I've decided. 5. The apostrophe goes in the same place as the letters that we leave out. For example, has not, the apostrophe goes between N and T. But note that shan't, used in British English, and won't only have one apostrophe each. 6. Contractions are common and correct in informal writing. They represent the pronunciation of informal speech. However, they are not generally used in a formal style. 9.2 Alternative contractions. Some negative expressions can have two possible contractions. For she had not, we can say, she hadn't or she'd not. For he will not, we can say, he won't or he'll not. The two negative forms of be, for example, she isn't, and she's not, are both common. With other verbs, forms with n''t, for example, she hadn't, are more common, in most cases in standard Southern British English. They are the only forms normally used in American English. Forms with not, for example, she'd not, tend to be more common in Northern and Scottish English. Double contractions are not normally written. For example, she, '(sn)'t) is impossible. 9.3 Position. Contractions in the first group, noun, pronoun, question word plus auxiliary verb, do not normally come at the ends of clauses. Compare the following examples. I'm late. Yes, you are. I've forgotten. Yes, you have. Negative contractions can come at the ends of clauses. For example, they really aren't. No, I haven't.